Hello, this is Steve from Bedos Leatherworks, and today's project is this vintage Minolta camera bag. Now, it's got to be from the 60s. I'm not quite sure, but it's seen its better days. The exterior is not in bad shape. The exterior is basically going to get clean, add a little color, condition. It's the interior is what we're going to focus on. Basically, we're going to disassemble everything on the inside and replace all this material with this suede leather. We're going to reuse this area right here, and a couple of the areas that need some foam, we're going to replace those, security hinges, and then condition overall the exterior. All right, so let's get started. All right, so at this stage, we have the interior part. Okay. Looks like a big mess now, but it'll look good when it's finished. Now the exterior, I put one coat of dye on it. Cleaned it first, obviously, and put one coat of dye on it. I'm going to let this dry. We're going to put another coat and then condition it. All right, welcome back. So we're done with the project. Turned out pretty good. I mean, this thing's got to be 60 years old, maybe more. Not really sure exactly how old it is. You know, the exterior got cleaned and dyed, conditioned, and water repelled. We replaced everything on the inside with the suede. Put a little cushion on the bottom right there. And hopefully we'll get the customer to come in and bring the camera in, and we'll try it out, make sure everything is good. All the elastics are the right size. And I'll keep you guys posted. All right. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you again next time. Take care.